Each human being has his or her own physiological mechanism and physical and mental uniqueness. Oriental medicine calls this personal trait constitution. The concept of constitution takes great significance in both diagnosing and treating a disease. Living a long, healthy life may be every human being's desire, but everybody is bound to have some type of disease once or more in the course of a lifetime. When that happens, Western medicine gives the same medication or surgical procedures to the same disease in most cases. In Oriental medicine, however, medical care is differentiated despite the same external symptoms. That's because each individual is believed to be born with a different constitution, which leads to different causes and advances of a disease and different responses to medications. The concept of constitution has great importance in Oriental medicine because it can be a good pointer in diagnosing and treating diseases. And eating constitutionally right foods and having positive mental attitudes can also reduce the possibility of diseases. But life patterns, ignoring the importance of constitutions, can cause serious health conditions. This patient is suffering from such severe back pain that he cannot even sit on a chair. His constitutional type is Soum-in. Soum-in people are weak and small-boned, so they should avoid strenuous physical activities. He's in a serious condition. His spine is severely out of shape. The spinal S-curve has almost straightened, which means his spine cannot even absorb slight shock. That is why this man is not even able to sit upright. Soum-in types have weak digestive systems and strong kidneys. Thus, they are vulnerable to arthritis and other bone disorders caused by overactive kidneys and a cold gastrointestinal area. If he had known about his constitution earlier, he could have prevented this from happening. This diagnosing process is followed by constitutionally designed treatment procedures. This patient is going to receive herbal acupuncture therapy optimized for Soum-in types.
그러니까 그것이 자기는 분명히 자기한테는 힘든 건데 그걸 무리하게 하다 보니까 완전히 그냥 더 심하게 온 거죠. 그래서 소음인들이 저런 경우에 이제 허리가 왔으면은 이제 일단 신장 기능을 역시 좀 보여주는 걸로 쓰고 그리고 몸을 좀 따뜻하게 하고 이제 신장 기능이 거기는 위장 기능 떨어지면서 이제 아랫배 쪽에 상당히 찬 증세가 많이 나오거든요. 그러니까 아랫배나 이제 허리 쪽을 따뜻하게 해서 이제 얼어 있는 것을 풀어주는 그런 치료법을 쓰는 게 제일 효과적입니다.
This unique constitution-based medicine originated from the basic philosophy of Oriental medicine. Western medicine considers a human body as an organism consisting of cells, nerves, blood vessels, muscles, and bones. So if two people have the same symptoms, they're supposed to be given the same kind of medical care. On the other hand, Oriental medicine is more concerned about the overall state and characteristics of the body, rather than just external symptoms. That's why each patient receives different treatments. The overall state and characteristics of the body. They're the very essence of constitutions in Sasang constitutional medicine. According to this medical theory, every human being is born with a different constitution, just as he or she has different appearances or blood types. And the concept of constitution is applicable regardless of race, ethnicity, and region.
체질이라고 하는 요소는 사실은 인간을 분류한 방식이거든요. 그렇기 때문에 동양인에만 해당이 된다라고는 생각이 되진 않아요. 물론 한국 지형이라는 특성에 맞춰서 어느 체질이 많다. 이렇게는 얘기할 수가 있고 또는 북미 지역이라든가 또는 몽고 지역이라든가 그거는 기질적인 어떤 변화 그런 생활 환경에 따라서 적응되어 오는 어떤 요소들 그런 것 때문에 A라는 체질이 좀 특이하게 좀 많다 그런 거는 있을 것 같아요. 그렇지만 체질이 동양인만 있고 그리고 서양이나 남미 지역은 없다 그렇게 보지는 않습니다.
Constitutions are determined by the strength of 4 internal organs: the liver, lungs, stomach, and kidneys. Each constitution has distinctive physiological and physical features. First, tall and thin Taeyangin people have strong lungs and weak livers. They're likely to develop various liver disorders, such as fat liver and liver cirrhosis. They need muscle training for the lower body, and qi breathing and practicing yoga are also good. Taeyomin people have strong livers and weak lungs, so they're especially vulnerable to lung diseases, such as bronchitis, pulmonary tuberculosis, or diabetes, obesity, and hypertension. Weightlifting, jogging, and swimming are recommendable for these types of people. Soyang-in types have strong stomachs and weak kidneys. They also have a stout chest. They're at a higher risk of developing kidney diseases, lumbago, osteoporosis, and ulcers. Since they have a lot of heat inside the body, they need to keep it cool and exercise to strengthen their lower body. And lastly, Soyang-in types have strong kidneys and weak stomachs. They also have well-developed hip bones. They're very susceptible to digestive diseases, anemia, nervous disorders, and allergic conditions. Since their body is basically weak, mild exercising such as jogging are recommendable. Then what does the existence of constitutions imply? It means recognizing the patient's physiological, mental, and physical distinctiveness. Diagnosing and treating diseases based upon such individual traits is the best way to maintain health with minimized side effects.
이제까지는 서양의학에서는 뭐 일단 모든 병은 모든 사람한테 같은 병에는 같은 약을 썼었죠. 그러나 이제 요즘에서는 이제 개별적인 건 특성을 중요시하죠. 특히 요즘에 와서 이제 유전자가 발달이 되면서 이제 여러 각각의 개별적인 특성을 인정을 하게 됐습니다. 그런 면에서 보면 이 사상 체질학에 상당히 앞서간다고 할 수가 있죠. 그래서 그 사람의 각 체질에 맞게 소음인들은 비위 기능이 소화기 계통이 약하기 때문에 소화기를 도와주는 그런 약을 많이 쓰고, 태음인 같은 경우는 이제 잘 먹는데 그 심폐 기능, 폐 기능이 약하거든요. 폐 기능을 보여주는 그런 약을 많이 씁니다. 소양인 같은 경우는 심장 기능, 콩팥 기능을 도와주는 약을 많이 쓰고, 태양인 같은 경우에는 간을 보여주는 그런 약을 많이 씁니다.
Established by Li Jae-ma in the late Joseon dynasty, Sasang constitutional medicine is a unique Korean medical theory that acknowledges each human being's individual constitution. With technological advances in constitutional testing devices, Sasang constitutional medicine is gaining more and more scientific ground as a futuristic personalized medicine. And it has also developed a system of diet, mental attitude, and treatment methods fitting each person's constitution.